10 this morning. We start with some breaking news coming in. BJP MP Manoj Tiwari's rally in Bengal has been cancelled after his helicopter was denied permission to land in Purulia in the poll-bound state. Quickly bringing in my colleague and our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor with more details on the same. Aishwarya, this is not the first time that a permission has been denied to any of the leaders in the opposition who want to campaign in the poll-bound state.
Well, that's right. But then very smartly what is happening is that the NOC, which was to be received from the local helipad owner, that has been taken back. And that has been taken back just minutes prior to the chopper landing. And this is something which is being seen as a very minuscule issue. But then BJP taking it very seriously because BJP senses it, that this may be escalated to the other senior leaders of the BJP as well. Now, when you have to the likes of the Home Minister of the country, the BJP National President, Defence Minister, and then so on and so forth, everyone moving in that very state at an unprecedented force, BJP does not want this kind of frivolous decisions to be taken by a private party, because at the end of the day, this helipad was at a private location. And the NOC was taken back by that private individual. That and that doesn't come under the preview of the Election Commission. And that's why BJP feels that some kind of pressure might have been, though it is just being alleged. But at the same point of time, BJP does not want, as we repeat, this to be replicated for the other senior leaders of the BJP. And hence BJP is going to raise this issue up, even with the Election Commission. Because as we just mentioned, BJP would not want this kind of situation per se for happening for the national president, either for happening for the defense minister of the country. So this is something which they are going to take very seriously, because the NOCs which are given by private helipad owners, because these are makeshift helipads which are made in private farmlands, which entails that the right to give permission for a chopper to land will always remain with that private entity. And that private entity has taken back the NOC in the last minute, just minutes prior to the chopper landing. A rally was there. Around, we are being told, more than 20,000 people were waiting, but then the NOC was taken back. Chopper couldn't land, and now it has gone back to Kolkata. So yes, all of this is happening because both these political parties, the larger game is that TMC can feel that BJP, for the first time in the history of independent India, is giving a real fight for the money in the state of West Bengal. And BJP can really sense it. So for both these parties, for TMC, they are on the verge of losing their rule. For BJP, it is the first time they can come into power in the state of West Bengal. Hence, every step matters, every decision matters.
In fact, Aishwarya, I'd like to interrupt you there because we have Jaiprakash Majumdar, BJP spokesperson Bengal, joining us on the phone line. Jaiprakash ji, मनोज तिवारी जी की रैली लास्ट मिनट पे कैंसिल कर दी गई है क्योंकि हेलीपैड ओनर has cancelled the NOC to stop the rally. All of this has happened at the last minute. What do you think is the reason, sir?
No, this is the standard practice of present state government. We remember about this and everything. Those are involving the district magistrate's office to the respective district. And it has been the practice under the strict instruction of the Navanna, that is Mamata Banerjee's headquarters, the state government headquarters, not to cooperate anyway in any election efforts of BJP. Earlier we have seen that Pradhan Mantri is in 2019 election. Pradhan Mantri is meeting his helicopter, Jogi ji's helicopter or flight, those were not allowed arbitrarily by the state government. And we had to approach election commission in any small or big matter. And same practice now they have started this Mamata Banerjee government under the sheer attempt of vengeance. This is the act of vengeance which they are pursuing, and that's why this is expected out of this Trinamool government. They are not neutral. They don't want a peaceful and peaceful election in the state. And like before, they are putting up all sorts of embargoes and hurdles in front of BJP. But would that be successful in changing the minds of people. People can understand everything. This way they will not reach anywhere.
Yes, because the TMC has been knocking at the doorstep of the Election Commission as far as that Nandigram incident is concerned, has been alleging conspiracy, has also been pinning the blame on the BJP. And at the same time, we have these kind of developments taking place. Mr. Jay Prakash Majumdar, BJP spokesperson there, saying that this is all TMC that is now conspiring against the BJP and has a hand in cancelling the NOC for the chopper landing that was to take place for Manoj Tiwari's rally.